Okay, any doubt in this? If you have any doubt, I will stop and I will explain. Okay, right click, go to explore data flow. See here, whatever I created data source, I can able to see here. Now what I am doing it, drag and drop info object. Okay, so now I will select my object. So I don't want to create info object, I need to add info object. What is my info object name? Judge store. This is my info object name. Okay, I maintain only attributes and text. I didn't maintain any hierarchy. Okay, so I'm choosing two attributes only. This data source also attributes only. Okay, now if you want to arrange automatically, so here we having auto layout in the right side corner. You can see auto layout. So automatically it will arrange it. Okay, now this is the flow. Your flow is no. So this is file. We created a file. Okay, file data source, flat file data source. And this is store ID info object. And this is main info object file. So now double click on transformation. So we are creating new transformation. We need to load data from file to info object, right? Click finish. Rules, you can see it is not mapped it automatically. Okay, store name, go to store name, map it. Store ID, map it. Store city, map it. State ID, map it. Name, map it. This is map it. Okay, now I mapped it. All the fields. You can see length as well in the real time. What is the length of this char 5 store ID? Here also star char 5. So like this you can, okay, and map it. In the real time might be 100 fields also would be there. You need to map it properly. So here we having store ID, you are mapping to state ID, then it is not wrong. It is wrong. So make sure that data type and length is same and object name description also same, that you can make sure that. Okay. And then I'm closing this option and go to here.
Uh,
See, yeah.
Brother, if in case if there is hundreds of records and someone had been by mistakenly had mapped to different text, then what happens and how he will identify that?
Yeah. First of all, you mentioned 100 records. These are not records. Okay. These are the records. Okay. Remember this. These are the records. You can call these are the records. Okay. These are all info objects. These are all info objects. These you can see right side. These are all info objects. Symbol is different. These are all fields. Okay. Might be your question is okay. Cat file. This one store ID to you map it to country. So what we need to do? Select this. Select this. Man, by mistake you added this one. What will happen? Nothing will happen. Data wrongly will update. See, data will wrongly update. So again, you need to check while you are reconciling the data, you will come to know. Understand that?
Okay.
So by mistake you mapped it. See, we while we are working in the real time, 100 fields and 200 fields also there. By wrongly you updated, but whatever we have stored ID, what we have stored ID is here. Oh, this store ID ST102, it will assign under the country. So generally country having a length is 15. Okay. California, okay, United States, like this it is coming. But store ID also it will show under this country. ST105 like this it will show. So then you will come to know, oh, wrongly I mapped it. Okay. Clear?
Yes, brother.
Yeah. Yeah. So we need to correct it. Because we only designing, we only loading the data, while you are reconciling data we'll come to know, oh okay, so country it is showing state store IDs, so we somewhere we did mistake, like that you will come to know. So under country everything is showing store ID only, it is not showing country. Okay, and then once you activated, close this option, and here you can see this is green color, this is gray color DTP. So now we need to activate this DTP as well. So now see here, new data transfer process, that means we are loading data from, this is the source, this is the target. What is the source? This is the source name, see, ZDS underscore store we have created. This is source. You can see here source. Here you can see target. What is the target? Info object name, store ID. Okay. So whenever we create info object, many tables are created, right, in the backend. So in the table level, we don't have any data, right? In the table level, we don't have data right here. If you go here, right, click here, master data tables, right? Go to here, SID table, and you can see P table. Double click this P table. Do we have any data? Okay, by default, one record it will show, that is like no modified record. Okay, one record. Nothing will be there right in the P table. Once we load this data, once complete this activity, we can say we can able to see the data. We are loading data to P table only, indirectly, I can say. So here no need to do anything in the DTP level. Only transformation level we need to map it. Okay, here what you do? Just activate this request. Okay, this one. We need to load the data, right? And before loading the data, I need to close this file. Otherwise, we will have issue. Whatever we are going to load the file, that we need to close it. Okay, click on this. Okay, data load is happening. Execute. See here you can see request has status, process with errors. Do you want to display? Yes. So data is loaded, but it is failed. What is the issue? We need to identify them. Update. Now you can see. So you need to click on these options. Somewhere it will display the what is the issue. See what is this? See here. It is showing like this data record version California is not valid, not valid, not valid. Okay. Okay, so here you can see G country, G state name, G name, G country. So every field is available. Okay, what I will do, okay, what I will do, I will take this screenshot. I will take this screenshot. Okay, I will take this screenshot. In the real time also we'll do same thing. I will take this screenshot. Due to this reason, it is failed. Okay. You can see these are the values, right? United States, New York, second half, and United States, California. These are throwing error under this country and name. Okay. So now I will close this option. Now you can go to the file level, filer. Okay. In the here, where is the store ID? Yeah, I will go to store ID. Go to attributes. So now, exactly where we are facing issue, for example, G country. Okay, G country. Okay, then I will select this, double click on this G country. So here you can see what is this option? Bro, did you observe this one flag? So this, can you read this one? If this flag is said, the values of this characteristic values are automatically, sorry. So not automatically transport to the uppercase if we select. So all are defined as like no because of. So we are facing its lowercase letters store ID. So here we are not getting New York. Whatever you define New York, that is not showing in the error level. That is not there. You can see in the. Do you have New York? So other values should be there. Okay.
Bro, do we need to enter it manually in the Excel sheet like all capital letters?
Or else you can do or else you can do. So directly I'm not going to transformation level to update the formula and all. Slowly we'll go. Okay, in the transformation level we have option. Okay, we'll convert automatically
Okay.
into the uppercase as well. So when we go to this topic transformation, so then we'll discuss about those things as well. So
Yeah, sure, sure.
here we have a rules, right? Select this one and you can see show rule. If we go to below in the show rule level, we have a option formula. So here direct assignment is there. You can select this formula and automatically I'm converting into uppercase. Even if you are sending lowercase letters also, it will convert automatically. So next topic we'll do it slowly. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Bro.
Okay. I convert it to uppercase all these things. Then we'll try again. Okay. Close. Only that file we need to close. Okay. Then again I will go to this DTP. We need to execute again. Okay. I'm executing again. Okay. And execute it. So if you are facing still, so it is asking to last time we loaded data that is in red status. I am going to delete it. Okay. It is giving you delete previous request. It is giving like header delete previous request. Last time we loaded data that is in failed status. So that will delete it automatically. It is going some down. Okay, fine. Okay. Close this option. RSDTP slash and RSDTP. Copying this DTP name. Go to general. I'll copy this technical name. So I'm going to RSDTP code, RSDTP code, and then I'm executing it. And also we need to select like no one option, edit, and we need to select this handle duplicate records as well and activating. Then execute. So everything we cannot expect in the dummy system. Okay, we'll try. If it is not working, then we need to drop complete and we need to load it. Activate all the flows as well. In the real time, it will not take this much time in the real time. So it is going to. So exactly it is going to dump in the SAP system itself having some issue. This is not our code. We didn't write any code. Okay. Let me go to RSMNG and we'll drop it properly. And I need to activate complete flow as well. Why it is throwing you. Okay, I will delete it. While deleting this request, it is going to dump basically. Here, deletion symbol will come, dustbin symbol will come once it is deleted. In the meanwhile, I will show you in the HANA Studio how we will load it. Okay, HANA Studio, not HANA Studio, SAP Datasphere. So, so once you done trail version, you will come to know like this symbol. So here, I already loaded data into the tables. So here you can go to all. So you can create one local tables like that. See here, we have a one option here. Go to local. See in the data sphere itself, we having all these options. Local table, folder. How we have created folder in the SAP BW4HANA like this, you can create local table, graphical view, SQL view. Okay, analytical model, data flow, replication flow, transformation flow, intelligent lookup. We will compare all these things. Okay. So now I'm creating info object, right, in the BW4HANA. In the same way, I will create graphical view as well. So graphical view, I will create as a dimension. So info object means that is dimension. We'll compare. Okay. There is a problem actually. It is going to dump. I will check with server guy. Okay. So actually while deleting itself having some issue. See here, deleting, starting. But here there is some issue while deleting itself. Let me go. Let me activate complete flow. I'll check with that guy. Save. First save the flow. This is our project and this is MD flow. So I'm activating my flow complete. So one data flow we have created, this flow is activated completely. So now let me check this again. I will activate this transformation. Might be it is in active mode. Generally should not come because of dummy system. Close and then execute. I will try last time. Last time I will try, or else will create. So still while deleting itself having issue. Okay. I will check with the server guy. Okay. In Datasphere, I will show you how to load it. Example, first we need to load this file itself, right? So then I will go to the local table. Or else you can create this graphical, this table itself. What is the table name? Store, store ID, right? Store. Example, I will give Z store. Okay. Z store ID. Then go to here. What is our master data, transactional data? I'm selecting dimensions. This is attributes data. And go below. Here you need to add the fields. Okay. Select this column, select this. How many fields are there in the table level? So I have a file in my system itself. So I will go to here. This is the, what is this? Dimension store. So this is the file, store ID. Okay. Store ID, store name, store city, store ID, and store name, country, latitude, this. So now I'll go to here and we need to give the store ID. Store underscore ID. So once I give store underscore ID, automatically it will take underscore. So just I give it space only. Store ID. What is the next one? Store name. So I will give store name. Store NAME. Store. See, and automatically it will come. What is next one? Store city. Very simple here. Store city. Okay. What about other one? Store ID, state ID. State underscore ID. Okay. What about other one? State name. This is data sphere. Okay. If you put 10 years of 5 years experience in the data sphere, you will get 40 plus only salary. And I need to add one more field. Latitude. Okay. Like this we have it. And this one, I'm not changing it, but okay. So like this, if you want, you can change it. So like this, you can change it. Okay. As of now, I'm loading like this only. Okay. Just to give, this is the key. Okay. And what you do, save it. So store name, we are Z store only, we are saving it. Now we need to, so we are going to create new table, right? Local table. So I selected table, but it is showing local table there. So now we need to do deployment as well. So here once you do deployment, here we'll get one option. So here, see here, do you have any upload option? See, this is export. This is hierarchy. This is custom CN annotation. This is tools. Like this it will get. So we don't have any upload option. Once we deploy, then we'll get upload. Okay. Once I deploy the table, then upload option enable here. You can see here, upload option will enable. So deploying now. Once you deploy, you will get a message as well. Once it is deployed, then you will get message. See here, see, this is automatically enabled. Now I'm getting upload data from CSV file. Clear? Now we will go to here back data builder I'm going to data builder. So I want to see this table. We created G store, right? This is only, right? You create a local table dimension. Today only 18 deployed. So do you have any data in this? Okay, I'm checking like no, how many records are there in this? Let me check here. Data viewer. So if you click on this, you can see data. How many records are there? Nothing will be there. Store ID, store name, store city, state ID, state. Nothing will be there, right? So now what we'll do? Upload. Click on this. Now I need to select the file. So in the desktop I have a right dimension store. So now I'm importing this option. While you are importing, we have a multiple options again. So delete existing data before upload. If you select this option, if you have already data in the table level, if you want to delete, then that delete and it will load. And if you have any option insert missing string values, so it will keep like only empty string, or else you can keep null. Based on our requirement, you can select this option. Okay. And now import it in the bottom. Now you can see this data. So many records are there. Okay. You can see 220 records are there. 220 are available in this. Okay. This is how we load data into the master data. This is kind of like, no, this is not complete master data. This is just local table only. So now if you want to create info object, like go to graphical view, go to graphical view, you need to drag and drop G store, and here we need to create this object as a this name we need to give G store. I will give MD. Okay, MD underscore graphical view, right? Like this I will give. So here you need to select dimension. Now see these are the there. Okay, store ID is the key. Store ID is the key. If you don't want, you can remove these options as well. If you don't want, then okay. Semantic key, set as semantic key. You can see if you want to change text, language, anything, you can change it. Okay. So input parameter association. This will later we'll discuss this as well. Okay. Just keep it like same. Close, and save. Very simple way we'll design the info object. So this is kind of now graphical view with the dimension. This is info object loading equal to info object loading in the BW. So that is data sphere. If you keep 2 years also you will get calls data sphere. Somebody will ask you, okay, have you worked on data sphere? Yes, I worked on data sphere. You can tell them. Okay, and we need to do deployment. Once you save, we need to do everything we need to deploy. Whatever you create in the data sphere, we need to deploy it again. How many columns are there? 8 columns. You can see 8 columns. 8. Once you deploy, you will get messages. So it is will notify once deployment is completed. For BW4 HANA, that I will check with the server guy. Like I'm deleting request, it is going to dump. Okay, tomorrow we'll resolve that issues. Okay, this is deployed it. Okay, now you can see right click and you can see just right click, or else you can see in the graphical view. It's loading. How many records are there? 220. In the table also same, right? So see here, what is the table name? G store underscore MD underscore GV, right? See G store underscore MD underscore GV. This is what we created in so, clear? So this is master data loading in the data sphere level. In the HANA Studio, I will show you that as well. In the HANA Studio, I will show you. So here go to Prospective and click on SAP HANA model. I'm going to HANA model. Okay. Sorry. Click. I'm explaining, I'm trying to explaining you at the same time three tools. I just comparing and okay. Here we need to add the system as well. In HANA, we don't have any system itself till now. Okay. We need to go here and we need to log in this option. So what is the HANA system details? Where is the B4 HANA? This one only. So what is the host? Select this host. You can add. So in the interview, they will ask you, have you worked on HANA? Yes, I have worked on HANA. Okay. System name. What is the BW system name? Okay. Click. What is the username? Before password. Okay, once you get access, then you also try like this. So now I have added my, now I have added project. Okay, server into the my database. So here, go to here, new. Sorry, go to file, and you need to import. Click on import, click on import. Here we having SAP HANA content. So data from local file. And you need to select this option and then it will click on next. So then you need to select the file. What is the file? So we should have file. In the desktop level, we have a master data file. I'm selecting that and okay, file, comma, find header rows to be ignored. Header rows to be ignored. No, I don't want header row. Import all. Okay, fine. So now new schema, table name. I'm selecting G store new table. What is the schema name? I'm selecting Yogesh. Okay. Click OK. Click on next. So what is insufficient privileges? Do not have insert or create any privilege to the schema. So I don't have any authorization. Like this, we'll load it. So this also I will get it. Okay. This also I will get it from the server guy. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay. Don't confuse. Okay. Today I'm just explaining SAP BW4 HANA flat file data load and also SAP HANA data load and Datasphere we already did it. Clear? If you have any issue, just throw it in the WhatsApp level. Okay, thank you.